Have an Apple Watch? Did you know that you could unlock your iPhone with your watch? Sometimes if I'm wearing a mask or it's too dark in my bedroom and my iPhone doesn't recognize my face, there's now an easy alternative option if you have an Apple Watch. Rather than having to type in my passcode, the watch will magically open and unlock the phone. In this video, I'll show you how you could save time and hassle when you need to unlock your phone if FaceID doesn't work for any reason. Apple first introduced this feature back with iOS 14.5 and WatchOS 7.4 update earlier in 2021. The great news is you don't have to have the latest iPhone 13 or Apple Watch 7 to use this feature. All you need to have is an iPhone 6S or Apple Watch Series 3 or newer. On your iPhone, open up Settings, scroll down until you see Face ID and passcodes. You'll be prompted to enter your passcode. Scroll down to unlock with the Apple Watch and tap on the toggle to turn it on. It will be green if it's on. Then a pop-up will appear for you to confirm you want to unlock your iPhone with your Apple Watch. Click Turn On. If you've not yet set a passcode for your Apple Watch, you'll be required to create a simple 4-digit PIN. When you need to unlock your iPhone without your face, due to mask, low light, or whatever, just swipe up. If the passcode screen shows up or your phone doesn't immediately open, you could hold your Apple Watch near your iPhone to unlock. You should get both a haptic vibration on your wrist, along with a prompt alerting you that your Apple Watch has unlocked your iPhone. In multiple tests with various iPhone models and watches, sometimes the iPhone would just open by itself. Other times it was necessary to swipe, and then, in the rarest cases, we had to hold the watch very close to the phone. It appears that the phone was learning to use the watch to open whenever needed. Bonus! Did you know that you could also use your Apple Watch to unlock your Mac? All you have to do are these quick and easy steps to auto-unlock. On your Mac, choose Apple Menu and go to System Preferences. Click Security and Privacy, then click General. Select Use Apple Watch to unlock apps and your Mac. And that's all.